I think it's the view and how is it or how the city is made because of the cliffs and the river. So the view with the castle, I think it's the major things for attracting people here in Dinant. The saxophone is the second thing. As you can see, you have the giant saxophone around the city.
We deal with everything that's related to saxophone in Dinant. So there is a touristic approach of our work. We deal with the House of Mr. Sax, or this big giant saxophone that you can find everywhere in the city. But we also organize main events about the saxophone in Dinant. So Adolphe Sax was born here in Dinant, in the House of Mr. Sax. It's the location of his house, but it was destroyed during the First World War. So we built it at the same place. They even tried to kill him. They gave him a lot of trials. He won them all, but he used a lot of money and energy to do that. So he went bankrupt several times because of all these trials. And it's only now that the saxophone is so famous and so recognized in the entire world. We put those original drawings on the bandstand as well.
We heard about Dinant, through travel websites. I went to TripAdvisor and just searched the beautiful cities, other than the main cities that the tourists typically visit. So Dinant is one, and we already went to Bruges and Ghent. But we like it here because the scenery is very different, and it's mountainous and the citadel and everything.